First of all, you go to Google and you search for AAMUSTED. Then you click on the first search that comes out. You click on the where you see internship. Search for internship, and here we have it. So you click on. So this is the page that will come up. You log in with your index number. By default, your index and the username will be the same. So once you log in with your index number, the password that you must enter should be the same as your index number, but you can later change it, just I have done. So you click on register, then you click on the intern tab, then you fill in your index number. Your faculty will also be there by default, program by default. You fill in your gender, male, your email, you type it by yourself, your town, that is the town that the school that you have applied for internship, that is currently in the town, the region that the school is in, the name, that is your name of the intern, that is you. The department will be there by default, the name by default, food session contact, you input it, the school that you are currently about to do your internship, you put it here, and the address of the school and the district where the school is currently in. As you can see here, there are various options. You get to know of the district, then you select it. Once you are done, you save the changes here. Once you see the changes, then you change your password to your preferred keyword that you know or you want. So you change password. The password, just as it has come, you put in the current, that is by default is your index number. You put in the current password, then the password that you want to change it to, then you click it here, plus you retype it the same as you did before in the previous dialog box, then you click on reset. Once it's done, you are done, you've registered. And another thing is that people have been asking questions about these things, that is the mentor and the section and the head, that is the head mistress or the headmaster. That one, once we start the internship, God willing, once the date of the internship is announced, we will be privy to this kind of information. Your mentor that you will be under, you put his name and his contact, status, marital status, Momo, and everything that will be communicated. But right now, the most important thing is you fill the intern session, leaving the head and the mentor. Thank you guys. God bless you.